Hi, this is Daniel calling from Latin America, and today we're going to react to Israel. After days and months with this polemic, with this situation, Israel changed the lyrics and now they can compete. Eden Golan is the girl who is going to compete for this country, Hurricane. Let's check the song and let's react to these new lyrics that they have.
Symphony, play with me, look into my eyes and see. People walk away but never say goodbye.
Oh.
Someone stole the moon tonight, took my light. Everything is black and white. Who's the fool who told you boys don't cry?
Oh my god.
Hours and powers. Life is no game, but it's ours. While the time goes wild, every day I'm losing my mind, holding on in this mysterious ride.
Wow.
Dancing in the storm, I got nothing
It's
to
so
hide.
sad.
Take it out and leave the world behind. Baby, promise me you'll hold me again. I'm still broken from this hurricane. This hurricane.
Yes, actually, this situation is like a hurricane. Oh my god. What can you say? This is magical.
Living in a fantasy.
Imagine the desperation to live in Israel with this war. Oh my god. It's so deep.
Hours and hours. Life is no game, but it's ours. The time goes wild. Every day I'm losing my mind, holding on in this mysterious ride. Dancing in the storm, I got nothing to hide. Take it out and leave the world behind. Baby, promise me you'll hold me again. I'm still broken from this hurricane. This hurricane. צריך מילים גדולות, רק תפילות, אפילו אם קשה לראות, תמיד אתה משאיר לי אור אחד קטן.
Oh my god, so that's the Golan. Wow, we have to say that this is a very powerful song. Israel has done a masterpiece with this. I think they will compete not just because of the song or her performance as an artist, but also because they have a very, very powerful message. Imagine to live in a war constantly. Europe always have these types of problems, and it's very, very hard to talk about this. I think that this is a very, very good song. The lyrics are perfect. I think everybody will understand the message, and it's a good one for Israel. For me, this will be on the top 10 in the final. There's no doubt about that. What do you think? I know Eurovision is magical, but they also can show us the horrible part, we can say. It's not just Israel. It's, for example, Belarus, Russia, Ukraine, countries that are always involved in wars and politics. And I know that it's not something that we want to see in this type of contest, but at the end we cannot ignore about the people that is suffering this constantly every day. And I don't know, I think this is the voice of millions of people in Europe and of course in Israel, and they deserve a good position. That's my opinion. What do you think about this? Do you like this song? Do you prefer another one? Or do you want Israel get banned from Eurovision? You can give me your comments here below. If you like this video, you can subscribe and also thumbs up, please. And I'll see you on the next video. Goodbye.